Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track your orders on AliExpress or how to get your tracking number as a dropshipper. If you are using another platform, for example CG dropshipping, Shopify or Amazon, then the buyer asks the tracking number. Then I will show you step by step how to get your tracking number on AliExpress. First guys, open your AliExpress platform. Then after you sign up on your account, just on the top click on account, then you need to scroll to my orders, then tap on my orders. As you see guys, this is your orders on AliExpress. Then if you want to track your orders after the seller on AliExpress ship the product, then automatically the track orders button it will shows on your product. Then if you want to track your orders, just tap on track order. Then guys, this is the tracking notice. Then guys, if you want to copy or if you want to tracking number, just on the top this is the tracking number. Then just on the right side tap and click on this icon, then automatically the tracking number was copied. Then if you want to use it for another platform, for example Shopify or any platform that you are using, then guys if you want to track your orders, just on this tracking number tap one click on tracking number. As you see guys, this is your status or your orders from China to USA. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.